We're gonna play sickle float. We're gonna fill up this container with water.
I will help you.
I get some mud. I get toys.
Okay, get the toys.
I can get toys.
You think that's enough?
Yeah.
Hmm?
That's basic.
Maybe more. Okay. What do you have there, Robbie?
I have this one.
What do you call it?
It's a peanut.
It's a top.
Let's go. Put
P-O-P.
it in the
Okay, let's
water.
see if it will. Let's see if it will float or sink. What do you think?
Food.
Okay. Wow, it floats. You're right. Oh, the next toy.
This one?
Okay. What do you think? You have to say if it floats or sink. Will it float or sink?
Food.
It will float?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. It sinks. It's heavy. It's made of metal. Okay, next. That one will float or sink? Sink. How about that one? Will it float or sink? What do you think? Up! Will it float or sink? Guess. Huh?
See.
Will it sink?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Browser will float or sink? Oh, he floats. How about the rubber ducky? Will it float or sink?
Food.
Okay. Yes, it floats. Yes.
Thanks for watching, guys.
You have to play this with your parents, with your mommy or daddy. Don't play this game alone. Thanks for watching.